Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today our topic is on the adrenal gland. We'll be talking about the hormones secreted by the adrenal gland and its functions. So let's get started. The adrenal gland is an endocrine gland that is located on top of each kidney. It is roughly triangular in shape and measures about 3 to 4 centimeters in length and 1 to 2 centimeters in width. Each adrenal gland is divided into two main parts, the outer adrenal cortex and the inner adrenal medulla. The adrenal cortex is the outer layer of the adrenal gland and makes up about 80 to 90% of its total mass. It is divided into three zones, each of which produces different hormones. The outermost zone is the zona glomerulosa, which produces the hormone aldosterone, which helps regulate salt and water balance in the body. The middle zone is the zona fasciculata, which produces the hormone cortisol, which helps regulate metabolism and the immune system. Coming to the innermost layer or the innermost zone is the zona reticularis, which produces androgens, which are male sex hormones that are also present in females. The adrenal medulla is the inner layer of the adrenal gland and makes up about 10 to 20% of its total mass. It is composed of chromaffin cells that produce the hormones adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, and noradrenaline, also known as norepinephrine. These hormones are involved in the body's fight or flight responses, which is activated in response to stress. Overall, the adrenal gland is a complex and important endocrine gland that plays a key role in regulating many bodily functions, including metabolism, salt and water balance, and the body's response to stress. The adrenal gland produces several hormones that play important roles in regulating various bodily processes. Here's a brief overview of each hormone and its function. First is cortisol. Cortisol is a hormone produced by the adrenal cortex. Helps regulate metabolism, immune function, and the body's response to stress. Cortisol also plays a role in maintaining blood sugar levels and controlling inflammation. Second is aldosterone. Another hormone produced by the adrenal cortex, aldosterone, helps regulate salt and water balance in the body. It acts on the kidney to increase the reabsorption of sodium ions, which helps to maintain blood pressure and fluid volume. Third is androgens. The adrenal cortex also produces small amounts of androgens, which are male sex hormones. These hormones play a role in the development of male sex organs and secondary sex characteristics, and also contribute to sex drive in both males and females. Fourth is adrenaline and noradrenaline. These hormones produced by the adrenal medulla are involved in the body's fight or flight response to stress. Adrenaline and noradrenaline also released into the bloodstream in response to stress and can increase heart rate, blood pressure, and respiration, as well as cause the release of glucose from the liver to produce energy to the body. Overall, the hormones produced by the adrenal gland play important roles in regulating many bodily processes, including metabolism, salt and water balance, immune function, and the body's response to stress. Any disruptions in this production or regulation of these hormones can lead to a variety of health problems. The adrenal gland plays a crucial role in the body's response to stress. When the body perceives a threat or stressor, such as a physical injury, illness, or emotional stress, what happens is that the hypothalamus in the brain activates the sympathetic nervous system and triggers the release of the hormone corticotropin releasing hormone, also known as CRH. This hormone stimulates the pituitary gland to release the hormone adrenocorticotropic hormone, also known as ACTH, which in turn stimulates the adrenal cortex to release cortisol. Cortisol is often referred to as the stress hormone because it helps the body respond to stress by increasing blood sugar levels, providing energy to the muscles, and suppressing the immune system. Cortisol also helps reduce inflammation and regulate metabolism. In addition to cortisol, the adrenal medulla releases adrenaline and noradrenaline, which increases heart rate, blood pressure, and respiration to prepare the body for flight or fight responses. While the stress response is a normal and necessary part of the body's functioning, chronic stress can have negative effects on the body over time. Prolonged exposure to cortisol can lead to a weakened immune system, increased risk of infection, weight gain, and other health problems. Chronic stress can also lead to mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. Therefore, it is important to manage stress effectively and minimize its impact on the body. This can be done through various methods such as exercise, relaxation techniques, social support, and seeking professional help when needed. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video.